Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a drone showdown that's going to blow your socks off. On the left, we have the FactJank brushless motor drone, and on the right, the Chubery super enduring brushless motor drone. It's a battle of the skies, so buckle up and let's dive into this drone duel. First up, let's talk about the price. FactJank is giving us a bargain at $119. It's like finding a 20 in your old jeans. Meanwhile, Chubery is flexing with a price tag of $149. A bit more, but does it deliver the goods? Let's find out. Both drones come with brushless motors, which means more power and less noise. It's like having a ninja for a drone. FactJank promises a quieter flight and can zoom up to 40 kilometers per hour with level 4 wind resistance. That's faster than my morning coffee rush. But Chubery isn't backing down. It boasts strong wind resistance and upgraded alloy motors. Plus, it comes with 3 batteries for a whopping 84 minutes of flight time. FactJank, you better start doing some push-ups. Reviewers of FactJank appreciate its quiet operation and smooth flight, while Chubery's users rave about its long battery life and strong performance. Now, let's get to the part where we capture those Instagram-worthy shots, the camera. FactJank comes with a 1080p HD camera and a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. It's like having a personal paparazzi, but Chubery is here to one-up with a 2K HD camera and a 130 degrees wide-angle lens. Sure, it's just 5 degrees less, but that 2K resolution is like upgrading from standard to high-definition TV. So Chubery, you win this round. Reviewers of FactJank find the camera decent, but note that video quality can be shaky. Chubery's camera quality is praised for its sharpness and stability. Special features. Because who doesn't love a good party trick? FactJank offers 1 key takeoff, landing, headless mode, altitude hold, 3D flips, and more. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. But wait, Chubery also has 1 key start landing, optical flow positioning, follow me, 3D flips, and the list goes on. Plus, Chubery's lightweight means no registration hassles. It's like a drone with a free pass to the skies. FactJank, you might need to take some notes. Reviewers appreciate FactJank's variety of features, but Chubery is noted for its ease of use and additional functionalities. Connectivity is key. FactJank boasts a 5 GHz Wi-Fi FPV transmission, smooth and stable, like a well-oiled machine. But what about Chubery? Well, it's not shouting about its connectivity, so we'll assume it's good, but not brag-worthy. FactJank, you finally get a point here. Reviewers of FactJank appreciate its stable connectivity, while Chubery's connectivity has not been a major point of discussion. Online reviews for the FactJank brushless motor drone highlight its budget-friendly price and good customer service, despite some issues with connectivity and flight stability. On the other hand, Chubery super enduring brushless motor drone is praised for its camera quality, long battery life, and ease of use, although a few users have experienced flight control issues. So which drone should you go for? If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with decent features and great connectivity, FactJank is your go-to. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for better camera quality, longer flight time, and robust features, Chubery is your sky-high winner. Either way, you can't go wrong. Thanks for tuning in, smart buyers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic showdowns. Let us know in the comments which drone you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, fly smart with Buy Smart.